My name is TJ.
मेरो नाम टिजे हो
Thank you for allowing us to come to your village.
धन्यवाद छ यहाँ हामीलाई स्वागत गर्नुभएको लागि
Thank your local leaders and your pastor for inviting us and bringing us.
यहाँ स्थानीयलाई पनि धन्यवाद छ
I want to tell you another story from the Bible that is true.
म तपाईँलाई फेरि अर्को कथा भन्न चाहन्छु जुन चाहिँ सत्य घटनामा आधारित छ सत्य घटना हो बाइबलमा लेखा छ
This story is about a man who was very shameful.
अनि एउटा यस्तो व्यक्तिको बारेमा छ जो चाहिँ त्यहाँ चाहिँ एकदम लज्जित जीवन जिउँथ्यो सबैले राम्रो मान्दैन थियो कसैले पनि
Jesus was going from village to village to village preaching and performing miracles.
अनि यसो चाहिँ एउटा गाउँबाट अर्को गाउँमा एउटा सहरबाट अर्को सहरमा जानुहुन्थ्यो मान्छेहरूलाई निको पार्दै चमक्का कामहरू गर्दै हिँड्नुहुन्थ्यो
So much so that everyone around wanted to see him.
अनि त्यो भएको हुनाले हरेक व्यक्तिले यसुलाई हेर्न चाहन्थे
But there was one man in particular, Zacchaeus.
त्यहाँ चाहिँ एउटा यस्तो व्यक्ति थियो विशेष व्यक्ति हो त्यसको नाम थियो जखायस
He wanted to see Jesus just like everyone else.
अनि उहाँले चाहिँ यसुलाई हेर्न चाहनुहुन्थ्यो त्यो जखायसले
But because he was so small and the crowd was so large,
जक्खैको बारे
जखायस चाहिँ सानो थियो तर त्यहाँ ठुलो भिड थियो
जक्खा होइन जक्कै
he over the
जक्कै
crowd.
अनि उसले चाहिँ त्यो ठुलो भिडमा हेर्न सक्दैन
So he came up with an idea.
अनि उसले चाहिँ एउटा आइडिया जुक्ति निकाल्छ
He ran in front of Jesus
अनि ऊ चाहिँ
and he
दौडे
climbed upon a tree
अनि दौडेर जान्छ र रुखमा चढ्छ
just so he could see Jesus.
अनि उसले यसुलाई हेर्नलाई रुखमा जान्छ
And when Jesus was walking through the town, he got to the tree
अनि जब यसु चाहिँ त्यो सहरबाट जानुहुन्छ अनि त्यो जखायस रुखमा चढेको देख्नुहुन्छ
and he said, "Zacchaeus, come down. I must be with you today."
अनि यसुले भन्नुहुन्छ जखायस तल आऊ म तिम्रो घरमा जान्छु
So Zacchaeus jumped out of the tree and he took him into his home.
अनि जखायसले चाहिँ यसुलाई घरमा लैजान्छ
Now, people in the crowd were very upset that Jesus would spend time with
अनि
them.
त्यहाँ मान्छेहरू रिसाउँछन् यो यसु जस्तो मान्छे यो पापीको घरमा किन जानुभयो त भनेर रिसाउँछन् गनगन गर्न लाग्छन्
You see, Zacchaeus was a shameful man who stole money from his people.
अनि त्यो चाहिँ कस्तो व्यक्ति थियो भने ऊ चाहिँ पैसा चोर्ने व्यक्ति थियो
And so after some time, Zacchaeus' heart began to change.
अनि केही समयपछि चाहिँ त्यो यसुलाई भेटेपछि जखायसको त्यो मन परिवर्तन हुन्छ
And he said, "I will give back everything I've stolen to my people.
अनि उसले भन्छ म आज चाहिँ आधा सम्पत्ति म गरिबलाई बाँडिदिन्छु
And I'll even give 4 times back the ones that I've robbed."
म चाहिँ 4 गुणा बढी जसबाट मैले लुटेको छु चोरेको छु तिनीहरूलाई 4 गुणा बढी फिर्ता गरिदिन्छु भनेर भन्छ
But Jesus said, "Salvation has truly come today."
अनि यसुले भन्नुहुन्छ आज यो घरमा मुक्ति आएको छ
But then Jesus continued on performing miracles and teaching in town and village and village and village.
अनि यसु चाहिँ निरन्तर रूपमा प्रचार गर्दै गाउँ गाउँमा जानुहुन्छ
But people were getting mad at him because he was saying that he and God are the same.
अनि मान्छेहरू रिसाउँछन् किन रिसाउँछन् भने यसुले चाहिँ म ईश्वर हुँ भन्नुभएको हुन्छ त्यतिखेर मानिसहरूले यो यसु भन्ने व्यक्तिले म भगवान हुँ भनेर रिसाउँछन्
So they went and convinced the government to execute Jesus.
अनि उनीहरूले चाहिँ सरकार कहाँ गएर के भन्छन् भने यसले भगवान भन्यो अब यसलाई पक्रेर मार्नुपर्छ भन्छन्
So the government took him and beat him and they executed him publicly.
अनि त्यस पछाडि त्यो यसुलाई पक्राउ गरेर उसलाई कुटेर मार्छन्
But that was not the end.
अनि त्यतिकैमा कहानी खतम हुँदैन
3 days later, Jesus rose from the dead and defeated death.
अनि 3 दिनपछि चाहिँ यसु मरेको भएको जीवित हुनुहुन्छ
And he defeated it so we can have everlasting life with him.
अनि उहाँ चाहिँ किन जीवित हुनुहुन्छ त भने हामी पनि त्यसरी मरिसकेपछि जीवित हौँ भनेर उहाँ चाहिँ फेरि जीवित हुनुहुन्छ
He took our shame in our place and died for us.
अनि उहाँ चाहिँ हाम्रो पापको लागि मर्नु भएको हामी पापी थियौँ तर उहाँले दुःख पाउनु भयो
And raising up, he gives us eternal life.
अनि उहाँले चाहिँ हामीलाई अनन्त जीवन दिनुहुन्छ
After he was risen,
अनि जब उहाँ चाहिँ मृत्युबाट जीवित हुनुभयो
he spent some more time with his disciples.
अनि उहाँ चाहिँ धेरै समय चाहिँ 40 दिनसम्म उहाँ आफ्ना साथीहरूसँग रहनुहुन्छ
And he commanded them to go to the world and